Island fam. I have secured my coffee and we are ready to start the day. Even though it's like 11 o'clock in the day, but I'm in Port of Spain right now. So what's the scene, Island fam? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm in Port of Spain. As I said just now, 2 seconds ago, this one behind me, this human being behind me, they're laughing because he think my intro is funny. But I will talk to you guys when I move away from the music because they're all hearing it in the background. So, yeah. Back from the store with all of the groceries, but I'm not doing a grocery haul. Really sorry. I'll probably do a really quick grocery haul on my Instagram channel, so go over there and check out that. Most likely I'll be there. So I'm not doing a grocery haul in this video. Y'all seen grocery hauls all the time, so yeah. But I'm back from the grocery. My brother just dropped me home and I'm about to take all these things out of the bag, pack them away, and get to other things because I need to take down my Christmas tree here, Christmas tree there, and the Christmas tree in my bedroom, and I need to clean this place because it's in a hot mess. But this most likely gonna be in a different video. So back home, okay? Anyway, I need water, so bye.
Where you been? You've been up there. Oh, wait, up there. Smell you up, smell. Smell you up, wanna try and try.
Move it. blow anything else? is Shara's first time roasting marshmallows and she's enjoying it. She didn't actually roast marshmallows last time. She was a baby. She couldn't do it. She actually roasting. You roasting?
She tried.
She. You roasting marshmallows and eating s'mores? She gonna be bouncing off the walls tonight.
Oh.
Why did I choose to do this on a school night?
And I have to deal with them?
I have to deal with them, not you.
You sleeping in it?
He acting like I don't stay about them in the night and making YouTube think I don't watch my children at night.
When you're sleeping, you want them.
Because they're sleeping too. Y'all, our fire went out after starting back. So catch you guys in a little bit.
Close them.
Really? What are you doing?
Trying to start a fire with your hand.
Hold it. You didn't make anything touch the ground.
Put on my flame stick. Go get your own pitchfork and flame stick.
No.
I don't understand how the man come along after that, everyone.